Hello world, my name is Isa and I'm from Istanbul, Turkey. In this 2-minute video, I will talk about my CS50 final project, Activity Generator. I hope you will like it. We all know that 2020 was not the best year so far. We all feel like we're stuck at home, and also the things we normally do started to feel boring. I thought I could help with this, so I made the Activity Generator. Activity Generator is basically a recommendation system that helps people to find an activity to spend their time in a fun way. It has more than 300 activities to help you to get away with boredom. So let's make a demo. So let's say I'm bored at home and I don't have anything to do. And I want to use the activity generator. Normally I have to register, but since I have a limited time, I will use an existing user. So activity generator welcomes us with this page, and it leads us to the find button and to the find page. Like I said, I'm at home and I'm alone, so I want to find an activity just like that. So he suggested me to read a beautiful art magazine, and I think it's boring, so I tried to find another one. I can learn to juggle, but let's try again. These are some nice activities. But let's say my sister came and she wants to do something together. So I choose more than one person and we are still at home. So we can set up a home karaoke session. So let's go back to my list. This is my list. These are the activities that I found so far. The good part is I can manipulate them. If I didn't like an activity, just like reading a art magazine, I think it's boring, so I can just delete it. But let's say we had a great time with my sister and we set up a home karaoke session, so I can just click done. And let's say I gave another day and I learned how to juggle. So after I complete these activities, I can click the history button and I can see all the activities that I have completed so far. And also, I have to mention something, because I gave a lot of time to make this. I tried to make the activity generator as responsive as I could. I tried different devices, Android devices, iOS devices, etc. to improve the responsiveness level. I will show the responsiveness level with an example. Thanks for watching.